everyone. So this is one of those topics that works a lot easier if you have your printout working alongside me. So I really hope you do. Now, what we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to read bar graphs. And we are going to talk about our favorite shapes. Now, if your shape is not listed here as an option, that's okay. My favorite shape is a heart. And I think a lot of you agreed with me. So, now, how many people that I surveyed thought circles were their favorite shape? Now, the way it works is we count the ones that are colored in using the chart down here. If one block is colored in, that means 1. 2 blocks means 2. 3 blocks is 3, and so on. Now, you have to be careful because sometimes it doesn't go by ones. It can go by 2s, it can go by 10s. So we want to make sure we always use this chart. So now, using this chart, how many people felt circles were their favorite shape? Well, the last one colored in was over here. So 7 people thought circles were their favorite shape. How about hearts? How many people felt hearts were their favorite shape? All the way to the end, 8 people loved hearts. How about here? How many people felt triangles are their favorite shape? And there, 6 people said triangles. And how many people said squares? 1. One person said square. So, now, let's go through the questions that we have on our paper. Which shape has the most votes? Well, take a look here. You can see it without even looking at our numbers. Hearts had the most votes. It was filled further than anything else. So, the shape with the most votes was the heart. Now, which shape had the least votes? The square, poor square. The square has the least votes. Which shape has more votes? Triangles or circles? Let's look at our chart. Which has more shaded in? Circles or triangles? Circles has more. How many votes are there for squares and circles together? Well, that's hard. So first I'm going to ask, how many votes were there for circles? 7. And how many votes were there for squares? 1. So how many votes are there together? 8, because 7 plus 1 is 8. And how many people voted in all? Now, this is a tricky question, and some people have a hard time. But I want you to think about this. If everybody that voted, I included them in the chart, well, to count how many people voted, we just add up the total number of votes. So we add 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 1. And we want to find what that equals. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 6 plus 1. 15 plus 6 is 21, plus 1. And 21 plus 1 is 22. 22 people voted in all. And that's how we got 8 hearts, 7 circles, 6 triangles, and 1 square. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But try your independent work first. I know you're going to do a great job. See you next time.